is Joshua Wanyama, and I work with Pamoja Media. I'm currently working with the Start 2 program as the program manager, basically making sure that the deliverables that Hivos has set aside for us to achieve on this project are met. Pamoja Media is an online marketing and strategy firm. We help organizations and companies be able to figure out their goals online and achieve them. In the Start 2 program, we are looking to be able to help 6 organizations across East Africa figure out their communication ICT needs, just making sure that they'll be able to achieve their goals. That's what we're doing in a nutshell.
I'm from the Netherlands and I work for an organization called Tonee. That's an organization that helps the industry and the government innovate and basically brings knowledge from universities, so scientific knowledge, to the industry or to the organizations. My main focus is on co-designing with several stakeholders that are involved in a certain innovation process and facilitate this process in order to have a successful innovation. And this is exactly also what I tried to do this week, is because we have to come up with successful information and communication strategies that are eventually also successful in implementation, that will actually work, that you will have something tangible that will make your organization more effective or efficient to reach your goals better. So that's what I do together with the people from NILAB and in cooperation with Hivos, and it's going to be very dynamic and a lot of fun also, and I'm looking forward to the different organizations that we can help and we can consult during this process.
And what do you hope the Start 2 recipients will get out of your input in this program?
What I hope is that they will get one information and communication strategy that they feel ownership of, because we have done information and communication strategies before, so we can give examples of what can be in there, but what is most important is that we create something for them, but especially with them, that they are able to use in the future. And as a strategy is a long-term plan, it should be also sustainable for this long term.
Hi, my name is Tonee Ndungu. I am curator or director of the NILAB, which is the Nairobi Incubation Laboratories. And we, apart from incubating ICT-based businesses, we also help with co-creation, which is another term for consultation as a group. With all the geniuses we have in this room, it's only something we should naturally do. So what I'd love to see as we do this Start 2 project with LVCT and all the other partners we're going to work with is the ability for them to be able to translate the image they would like to see into the public into something they have inside the organization, but something that they're also giving out to the public. So I'd like them to see the public seeing them as they would like to be seen by the public, in short. That's basically it. And I hope they enjoy themselves as well, and they learn something that they can take home with them, something they can take into their personal lives, and also keep in their professional lives. My background is international relations and journalism, but I have been a fanatic and enthusiast of ICT and social media for the longest time. So being able to do this with a communications background is fantastic for me. It feels really good.
My name is Bastians and I work for Tonee. Tonee is a company from the Netherlands that has a mission to apply basically technological innovations to industry and government. And my specialty is service delivery platforms, which is basically the IT companies need to deliver their products to their customers. And I do everything from programming to processes and strategy, and my role in this project is basically consulting and helping out in the workshops and having a good time as well with guys from iLab, Jenny from Tonee as well, and the Hivos, and the partners of course.
And what do you hope the Start 2 recipients will get from the program or from your input?
I hope they get a better understanding of what ICT strategy is and what it can mean for them to actually be able to apply some of the pointers we give them. And I really hope to see the stuff we give them, they can set off and do it straight away.
And is IT or an ICT, are they tools or are they a means to an end, or what's the role of IT?
Technology is a means to the end. The most important part is getting the information and communication in your organisation right, and I think that's what we're trying to do with this week. and the next weeks.
Adari. My background is in biochemistry. Currently, I'm the research assistant for the START2 project. My job entails collecting data, disseminating, and coming up with a narrative report for the project once it's complete.
And what do you hope the START2 recipients will get out of what you do?
I hope that they'll be able to use the data that I would have found to be able to come up with a new communication strategy to better improve the way the organization is run and hopefully increase their reach to people, their target group, at the same time, but just increase the efficiency of the organization.
So why is data collection important?
Data collection is important because we are able to use what we already know to be able to find out what we need, and at the same time come up with different solutions to be able to fill in the gaps of what we don't have.
Hello, my name is Menno Manschot. I'm a consultant at TNO in Holland on innovation processes. I have a background in industrial design and service design, and therefore my focus lies always on end user participation and comprehension of ICTs and how to include the end user in the process of development of new ICTs. I think my role in this START2 project will be mainly to keep a focus on the process, if we're doing the right things at the right time to come up with the results at the end of these intensive co-design weeks, and to guide all parties in collaboration. What I hope that Hivos partners, the organization that participate in here, will achieve is, of course, a vision for the coming 3 years on how to implement ICTs, or how to use the power of ICTs in their core business, and to especially come up with a strategy that is that includes the stakes of all partners involved, because organizations these days don't operate alone, they operate within a network, and strategies should be resonating with that network and comprehensive to everybody. So I am confident that we will get great results, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
My name is Soud Hyder. My background is in computer science and economics. I tend to solve problems intersecting around technology and business. I help organizations make the most out of technology and simplify the processes, as well as making them more efficient, and trying to see ways in which technology can actually add value to the organization, stakeholders involved, and end users as well. And my role in the START2 program is as a research analyst and as a general analyst as well. I look into the ways through which processes are conducted in organizations, and find out how technology can be used, which particular aspects of technology can be used to help the organization solve their problems and address the end users in a more efficient manner. And the value that I hope the Hivos partners will derive from my involvement in the project and the whole of the START2 program, which was aimed at increasing the strategic use of information communication and marketing tools in these organizations and in their processes. I do hope that these organizations will actually appreciate the immense value of technology. And when people actually think about technology, they look at it from the perspective of something that's very complex. But technology can be very simple. In fact, the best uses of technology come from simplified cases. And in sub-Saharan Africa, over the past 5 years, there has been an immense growth in mobile communication and mobile devices. So that will be the primary technology solutions, that will be the primary tool that we'd be looking at using and leveraging on to reach most of the people and solve problems, especially around the rural areas.